Coordinates: 4 degrees north 72 degrees west, 4 degrees north 72 degrees west, 4 minus 72 in South America. Officially, the Republic of Colombia is a country in South America with territories in North America. Colombia is bounded on the north by the Caribbean Sea, the northwest by Panama, the south by Ecuador and Peru, the east by Venezuela, the southeast by Brazil, and the west by the Pacific Ocean. It comprises 32 departments and the capital district of Bogotá, the country's largest city. With over 50 million inhabitants, Colombia is one of the most ethnically and linguistically diverse countries in the world, with its rich cultural heritage reflecting influences by various Amerindian civilizations, European settlement, forced African labor, and immigration from Europe and the Greater Middle East. Urban centers are concentrated in the Andean highlands and the Caribbean coast. Colombia has been inhabited by various indigenous peoples since at least 12,000 BCE, including the Muisca, Quimbaya, and the Tairona. The Spanish landed first in La Guajira in 1499 and by the mid-16th century colonized parts of the region, establishing the new Kingdom of Granada, with Santa Fe de Bogotá as its capital. Independence from the Spanish Empire was achieved in 1810, with what is now Colombia emerging as the United Provinces of New Granada. The new nation experimented with federalism as the Granadine Confederation, and then the United States of Colombia, before the Republic of Colombia was finally declared in 1886. Panama seceded in 1903, leading to Colombia's present borders. Beginning in the 1960s, the country suffered from an asymmetric low-intensity armed conflict and political violence, both of which escalated in the 1990s. Since 2005, there has been significant improvement in security, stability, and rule of law, as well as unprecedented economic growth and development. Colombia is one of the world's 17 megadiverse countries and has the second highest level of biodiversity in the world. Its territory encompasses Amazon rainforest, highlands, grasslands, and deserts, and it is the only country in South America with coastlines and islands along both the Atlantic and Pacific. Colombia is considered a regional actor in international affairs, being a member of major global and regional organizations including the United Nations, the World Trade Organization, the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, the Organization of American States, the Pacific Alliance, the Andean Community, and a NATO global partner. Colombia's diversified economy is the third largest in South America, with macroeconomic stability and favorable long-term growth prospects. The name, Colombia, is derived from the last name of the Italian navigator Christopher Columbus. It was conceived as a reference to all of the New World. The name was later adopted by the Republic of Colombia of 1819, formed from the territories of the old Viceroyalty of New Granada. When Venezuela, Ecuador, and Cundinamarca came to exist as independent states, the former department of Cundinamarca adopted the name, Republic of New Granada. New Granada officially changed its name in 1858 to the Granadine Confederation. In 1863 the name was again changed, this time to United States of Colombia, before finally adopting its present name, the Republic of Colombia, in 1886. To refer to this country, the Colombian government uses the terms Colombia and República de Colombia. Owing to its location, the present territory of Colombia was a corridor of early human civilization from Mesoamerica and the Caribbean to the Andes and Amazon basin. The oldest archaeological finds are from the Pubenza and El Totumo sites in the Magdalena Valley. 100 kilometers have been found. Vestiges indicate that there was also early occupation in the regions of El Arbra and Tequendama. Cundinamarca, the oldest pottery discovered in the Americas, found at San Jacinto, dates to 5000-4000 BCE. Indigenous people inhabited the territory that is now Colombia by 12,500 BCE. Nomadic hunter-gatherer tribes at the El Arbra, Tibito and Tequendama sites near present-day Bogotá traded with one another and with other cultures. From the Magdalena River Valley, A site including 8 miles of pictographs that is under study at Serrania de la Lindosa was revealed in November 2020. Their age is suggested as being 12,500 years old by the anthropologists working on the site because of extinct fauna depicted. That would have been during the earliest known human occupation of the area now known as Colombia. Between 5000 and 1000 BCE, hunter-gatherer tribes transitioned to agrarian societies. Fixed settlements were established, and pottery appeared, beginning in the first millennium BCE. Groups of Amerindians including the Muisca, Zenu, Quimbaya, and Tairona developed the political system of Cacicagos with a pyramidal structure of power headed by Caciques. The Muisca inhabited mainly the area of what is now the departments of Boyacá and Cundinamarca High Place.